Hey everyone, good morning. Today I am going to be doing a wedding today, and I thought I would share with you guys this again. Today I'm actually driving 3 hours away to Clear Lake, so come on with me. There's a boy. Got all my stuff packed up here and some laundry to take home, and I got my coffee in tow. We're on our way to Clear Lake. Well, it's kind of like around Clear Lake. It's not exactly Clear Lake. But we're on our way. It's gonna take us about 3 hours to get there. So it's 7:15 right now, so I'm hoping for like a 10:15 arrival. I mean, I guess we'll see. Oh, there was a dead fox. Ah! And here we go on the Trans-Canada Highway. 3 hours. All this field. I'm just stopped at a train right now. I've never actually driven up this way to Clear Lake before. I also packed a bunch of snacks. I packed some strawberries, and then I also have some bananas. I need to eat these strawberries because I'm going to be gone until Monday from my apartment. So, ooh, look at the little hay bales. So cute. How cute are those? It's the harvest. Oh my god, what a cute little house. She's looking fine. Oh yeah. Close your eyes for me.
Are you
Look at that.
Where are you staying or what are you
Gorgeous mother of the bride.
Guys, look
And
at
close for me.
Close them?
Yeah, I was like,
I don't even need to know.
Ooh, look at that. So pretty.
Oh, yeah.
So
So
beautiful.
those water come with the cabin.
Oh yeah. Give him a little rub-a-dub-dub. Two lips and a tub, I don't know.
Try. solid.
Thank you. That's so sweet.
Solid.
I really did try. I look so pretty. Ooh, open for me? Oh, wow.
Who is she?
I'm gonna tilt your head back and close. Ooh, it's so pretty. Thank you. Awesome.
I love it.
I like how you know what's up.
What's that word called when you're not
Demonetized.
that one? Yep, thank you.
Yeah, bacon grease and rice.
I know.
I just started
I
doing this.
can't
And like
do
it's
it.
close? Yeah, it's tough work. This one is my fault.
Okay, and do you want me to do a little line of glitter over top of that?
Joel wearing his hat for the day. Rayna.
What?
Pretty.
This other wedding
Close to me?
just got nice by the end of the day. Everybody snapped himself with it. And he's
Oh
just like,
my God.
like, look at him like,
You look
really?
like a honey bun. Oh my God.
You know what I mean? Like, you don't have to look down once and then wait till it's done, because then your eyes, you know, you don't need to look up twice.
Oh my God, you look so pretty.
It looks awesome.
Yeah, that's better.
Because you can see, like, I don't know. I don't know. Okay.
Oh,
I told you. Oh my God. Wow.
Oh, I don't even intend.
Holy shit.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you want more glitter? Happy?
I don't know. No, I love it.
And
I love
then I was
it.
like,
Do you want more?
Where would we put it?
I don't know, everywhere.
Everywhere? No, I like it.
Happy? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Anything you want me to add, take away, alter, change?
do this.
You're good.
Yeah.
Okay, go get your dress on.
Am I looking at you or am I looking?
Oh, you can do anything you want. I'm just fiddle diddling. Close your eyes for me. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God. I impressed myself today, I think.